Did you ever take the time to check in Google for the most researched recipe? I did, and the result left me hanging in La La Land for a while. No. Don't go and search for it now. I will tell you and save you the time. The most researched recipe in Google is how to cook rice. Yay! Oh my God, I know you were not expecting that. You know, I might got my mind blown away with the answer, but it makes a lot of sense if you think about it. Rice is cheap and available everywhere. White rice is sold in the US from 2 to 7 cents per ounce. Yes, I know my metric friends. That is 2 to 7 cents for 30 grams. 1 pound of the cheapest rice in the US will cost you from 32 cents to $1.12. I found all this out when I started making research about rice.
What?
Based on the information from this article, rice is affordable because it is easy to control. It is harvested multiple times a year. It is easy to store, and the land and labor are cheap. I'm leaving the link down there in the description so you can find a lot more information about rice in this article. Now, I'm a Caribbean boy, and in the Caribbean we eat a lot of rice and beans, I know. I say that because not all rice is made equal. For example, my favorite rice is jasmine rice. I love it because of the grain size and the aroma it has. It reminds me a little bit of popcorn. It is delicious, but it's not very cheap. Then you have the king of all rice, basmati rice. It tastes amazing. The grain is long and nice, and it's also diabetes friendly. But for some reason, I do prefer jasmine over basmati rice. A pound of jasmine or basmati rice can cost you more than 10 cents per ounce. So compared to the price I gave you before, it is not considered a cheap rice at all. But there are many other kinds of rice. There are over 40,000 different types of rice in the world. That's so crazy that I'm sweating all over the place. But this channel is not about economy or grain exchange. In this channel, we cook. That is why I will show you the best, easier, and perfect way of cooking your rice, any kind of rice, with minimum effort. That's it, I'm gonna give you my secret. So you better go and share this video on Instagram and Facebook, or I will never give you my secrets again. I do have a secret weapon, a wonderful gadget that can convert any rice into what we call delicious. And that is this little rice pot we have here. All you need to do is to put your rice in it and add water. Kind of the same amount of rice and water, but no measurement is needed. Just add a bit more or less, it doesn't matter. After that, you need to add butter? Heck no! Do you add butter to the rice? You need to add oil, not butter. Butter will change the flavors of the rice and give it a little milky taste. Ew, that can't be good.
I don't think so.
Anyway, just add a little bit of oil to the rice and salt. No, that's salt. Regular table salt will be okay. How much salt? I like to add salt until the water tastes like the ocean. A bit salty, I know, but that's the name of the channel. Besides the salt and oil, you can add anything else you like. Some aromatics go very well with the rice. Chicken or vegetable broth is great. Herbs like saffron, bay leaf, red pepper flakes, or dry mushrooms will give it a nice nutty flavor. Gordon Ramsay recommends star anise, or squeeze a little bit of lemon for a nice acidic flavor that will make your palate go crazy. Or you can go Japanese style by adding a bit of soy sauce and vinegar too. And anything else you want. At the end, you are the master of your own rice, and you cook it however you think is right. My point is that rice is a very noble and easygoing carbohydrate that can be mixed, reused, and spoiled as much as you want, and the end results are always great. Today, we will be accompanying our rice with, of course, fish. To cook fish in the grill is very simple. First, pat your fish dry as much as you can and add a little bit of oil inside. Salt and pepper comes first, and any other flavor you like after. For example, I like lemon on my fish a lot, so I will be adding some of it. The outside will be seasoned with salt and pepper. lemon juice, and a little bit of oil. That is for it not to stick on the grill. Once it is all ready, set your fish right over the fire. It will stick to the grill right away, but don't worry. It will release itself after a minute or two. In about 2 minutes, flip your fish and you will see this beautiful skin color with a bit of a char. Cook the second half of the fish for about 2 more minutes. If you consider your fish not to be ready yet, move it to the cooler side of the grill and let it cook to your desired turn. If you don't like sushi, all you need to do is to stick a thermometer into it and it will be ready when the meat heat up to 130 degrees. That's about 55 degrees Celsius. Also, for this plate, I'm going to be cooking asparagus on the grill. All you need to do is to split your asparagus in the part they break and use the top. To this, I will add olive oil, salt and pepper and set them on the grill over the fire until they start chatting. This will be real quick in about a minute, so don't walk away. Flip them over a few times and it will be ready. Now, I will serve the fish next to the rice and add the asparagus to the plate. If your stomach is not rumbling right now, it's because you just ate. Well, guys, I hope you learned about the most searched around recipe in Google. And as you can see, it's the easiest thing to do.
And fastest.
Yeah, and
right?
And rice is so customizable. You can put whatever you want in there.
Yes,
I love it with fish. I love white rice with fish and lemon. And this thing came out perfect, man.
And not only that, wait, listen, I'm going to challenge you guys. Ask him the crazy ways Ninja eat rice. Don't say it here. And he's going to answer you guys.
Whatever you want to think that I put in the rice, you can think because I put everything in the rice. I do a lot of crazy experiments with rice. A lot of stuff. Put it down in the comments. What do you think is the craziest thing I ever put in rice? And it was not good. But it was a test, man. It was a test. Hey, listen. We have a shout out today for Ivan, the Blind River Stud Muffin, and Kim, who just got her new legs.
Hey,
shout out to you
shout
guys.
Out to you guys.
We love you all. This is crazy, communication from here, from South Florida, all the way to Canada. That's amazing. The community is growing, and all I can do is thank you guys for it. I mean, I'm pretty sure you tried rice already. It's awesome. Yeah, let's give it a quick try here. Just a real good.
I'm hungry.
Man. And that little rice machine there.
Oh my God.
You just put whatever. You put a little bit of rice, more or less the same amount of water, oil, salt, whatever you want. Throw it in there. 10 minutes after, you have the perfect rice all the time.
And your teenagers can do it.
It never fails, and your teenagers can do it. Your kids can do it, man.
Yes, they can.
You call them out and say, hey, get the lunch ready, man. All right, guys, let me ask you something. Did we make you hungry? If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. And let me know down there, what do you like to eat with white rice? Only white rice, no beans, nothing.
And
just
the
white rice.
crazy way he eats it too. Ask him.
Put everything down there in the comments. That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
I'm going to eat some fish right now, man.
Let's eat.